Do you want to make up to $999 a day from AI videos using completely free software? Don't just take my word for it. These channels are already making thousands of dollars per month using AI avatar videos. These channels are not only exploding with millions of views, but they've also achieved this success in just a few weeks or months using AI tools completely free. Take a look at this. This channel is making $5,000, $10,000 per month with just simple AI videos. And the best part is, you can do this too, completely for free. In this video, I'll show you how to use 5 free tools to create ultra-realistic AI videos in just minutes, even if you know nothing about AI. And if you watch until the end, I'll reveal a special secret that can help you turn these AI videos into a money-making machine, earning up to $999 a day. Ready? Let's get started now. If you're unsure how to create the most captivating character, here's an awesome tip for you. First, I'll ask DeepSeek AI to list the top 10 most famous beauties in England. Awesome! DeepSeek AI has instantly listed the most famous beauties. I'll choose Emma Watson, and now let's have DeepSeek AI generate the perfect prompt to recreate her face. If you want your AI character to have a unique touch, try adding keywords like smiling warmly, elegant style, or subtle makeup for the best results. Now let's switch to Leonardo AI to turn this prompt into a perfect AI-generated image. After crafting the perfect prompt in DeepSeek AI, now we'll use it to generate a realistic AI image with Leonardo AI. First, go to the Leonardo AI website, log into your account, and select the image generation mode. Now, paste the prompt we created in DeepSeek AI into the input box. To achieve the highest quality image, adjust the following settings. Once everything is set, just hit the generate button and wait a few seconds for Leonardo AI to work its magic. And here's the result. A highly realistic image with natural skin, expressive eyes, and a radiant smile, all created by AI. If the result isn't quite what you want, don't hesitate to try again with keywords like sharp eyes, glowing skin, or warm smile to fine-tune the details. The difference is amazing, right? Adding keywords gives you more control over the results and helps you create the most stunning AI character. Once you're happy with the result, click the download button to save the image for the next step. Now, I'll show you how to turn this image into a realistic AI video. Using Kling AI, this step will truly bring your character to life. Now, I'll show you how to transform this image into an incredibly lifelike AI video using Kling AI. First, go to the Kling AI website and log into your account. Here, click on the Create New Video button to get started. Next, upload the image you just created with Leonardo AI. Now, add the prompt to the character's action guidance section. Woman talking and explaining something in a static camera. Confident and engaging. Natural facial expressions. Smooth lip sync. Make sure you select the right settings for the most natural character movements. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and let Kling AI work its magic. The result is amazing. The character looks incredibly natural with expressive emotions and captivating eyes. If the video isn't perfect, you can retry by adjusting settings like expressions, speech speed, or adding more descriptive keywords to refine the emotions. Once you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the video to your device. The next step is to add a professional voiceover, using ElevenLabs to make the video as realistic and engaging as possible. Now let's add a voiceover to this video using ElevenLabs, the most realistic AI voice generator available today. The first step is to go to elevenlabs.io and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Next, click on the Create New Voice button to start generating an AI voice for your character. This is where you can customize the voice to match your character perfectly. I'll guide you through the best settings for the most natural sounding voice. Now enter the dialogue your character will speak into the text box. Once you're done, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds for ElevenLabs to process the voice. Sounds amazing, right? Smooth, natural, and full of emotion, just like a real human recording. Once you're happy with the result, click the Download button to save the audio file. Now, simply add the generated audio file to the video timeline and sync it with the lip movements. And you're all set. Now your video is almost complete. But there's one final step to make your AI video absolutely perfect. Let's move on to the final step and make this video the most realistic AI avatar using dreamface. Now, to make the video ultra realistic, I'll use the most powerful tool, dreamface. First, go to dreamfaceapp.com and log into your account. Here, click on the Create New Video button to get started. Next, Upload the video you just created in Kling AI by clicking the Upload Video button. Then, upload the audio file from ElevenLabs by clicking the Upload Audio button. Now comes the most important step: syncing the voice with lip movements to make the character look like they're speaking naturally. In the Settings section, select the following parameters to optimize the realism of your character. Once you've adjusted everything, click the Generate button and wait a few minutes for Dreamface to finalize the video. And here's the result. Look, the character looks incredibly lifelike, with expressive eyes and perfectly synced lip movements. If the character's lip movements don't fully match the speech, go back to the settings and try adjusting the following parameters. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button to save the final video to your device. And that's it! You now have an ultra-realistic AI avatar video, ready to be uploaded to YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms to start making money. Let's dive into the best strategies to monetize your AI video effectively in the next section.
Now your AI video is complete. And here comes the most exciting part. Turning this video into a money-making machine that can earn you up to 9 times AI. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are incredibly powerful platforms to make money with AI videos. Many channels are making thousands of dollars per month with just a few simple AI videos on YouTube Shorts.
One of the easiest ways to make money from AI videos is by leveraging affiliate marketing. An AI video can earn you $50, $100 per day just through affiliate marketing. If you want to start making money immediately, sell AI video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. With just a few clients per week, you can easily make hundreds of dollars. You can also turn your AI character into an AI influencer and make money through brand sponsorships. Many AI influencers today earn thousands of dollars just from sponsored posts on Instagram and TikTok. Another quick way to make money is by creating a YouTube channel with AI videos and then selling it for thousands of dollars. If you want to discover the latest AI money-making secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next video. Do you want me to share more tips to boost your views quickly? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video, where I'll reveal how to build an automated YouTube channel for maximum profits.